All right, so this next one here in the key of B is kind of more of that Stevie Ray Vaughan kind of bend idea or Texas blues kind of bend idea. We're like I said, in the key of B, we're using the extension of it, which roots on the 7th fret of the E. You've got so when you go up that E-rooted extension of the B minor pentatonic, you end up with your ring finger on the 12th fret of the high E. And so this idea is bending this high E up a whole step, and then alternating with not hearing it come back down and bending with a half step. That's the half step sound. Here's the whole step sound. So remember, whole step, and then you don't hear it come back down, and then you bend it from the natural to the half step. And then finally, so check this out. That da-da, da-da, you got to do that really quick. And it's a down pick on the high E and an up pick, down up, like that. So it's a down pick on that 10th of the high E, and then the 12th of the B. So you combine the whole half, whole half, whole half, up to the whole da-da. And then we're going to go back to the 10th of the high E and give it a little nudge up just a little bit. And then a pull off from the 12 to the 10 on the B, 9th on the G, so that final move, ba, be a bow, and then 10, 12 on the B, vibrato, 10 of the high E, pull off from the 12 to the 10 on the B, 9 of the G, and then 10, 12 on the B. Alright, so another one to add to the mix. Hope you liked it. We'll see you in the next video.